Did someone say macaroni and cheese? Did someone say macaroni and cheese? Let's make a 5 cheese macaroni and cheese for Friendsgiving. Make a huge pot of it. The best you've ever made. Cheesy, perfectly seasoned with make it perfect, and then make enough that you can bring it home and refrigerate it. And then 2 days later, since you squished it down in there, cut it into thin slices about this wide. Roll that sucker in panko. Let's put it in the air fryer at 350 for 10 minutes. Then you're gonna take that and put it in a grilled cheese, but the grilled cheese is already gonna have cheese in it. And you cook it open face so you can put your air fried macaroni and cheese that you breaded and cooked, heated up and got it juicy and tender and delicious again inside your grilled cheese. First bite without any marinara sauce. Yes. Yes. It's double crunchy. The outside's crunchy, and the mac and cheese that I put in the air fryer and breaded is also crunchy. And that sourdough bread with that little bit of touch of garlic and Italian seasoning cooked into that, you get all that on your lips, and then you bite into that creamy, delicious macaroni and cheese, and then the other cheese on a regular grilled cheese. Now let's try it with the marinara. We'll do this bite right here with a little bit of marinara sauce. You know how you get those fried cheese bites? I don't know, I think a place called Cheddar's, not really sure. This is what that's like, only better, because you have a grilled cheese with it. Thumbs up, good sandwich. Delicious. We're in Poppy's kitchen. See you next time.